Welcome to another inspiring and extreme enthusiast build part 2. Today I'm going to be showing you guys a few things, but first of all I would like to show you my new Cosmos S case from Coolermaster. Comes in a nice bag as well, guys. Coolermaster bag, look at it. Look at that. Nice. Looks like it's packaged really well. It's got plastic as well. Wow. Have a look at this case. That is a really sleek looking case. Okay. 2 rubber grommets here, holes for your water cooling pipes. And also, this whole thing comes, there you go. You can store a large radiator inside here, and you can put more fans on top here to exhaust the hot air. And also you got 2 levers here to take the side panels off. Look at that. So yeah, so there's no more sliding anymore, because I remember on the old stacker there was you had to slide them out, and they just after a little while they just fall apart and they get weaker. But in this style, I'm sure they're a lot more efficient. Look at that, a 200mm fan. That is massive. Intake fan. So they'll keep pretty much everything cool inside there. Very, very nice, very impressive. Okay, let's have a look inside. Now, we've got one 120mm exhaust fan here. It comes with a fan as well on top here. I don't know what it's doing though, but I'm gonna take that fan off and put my radiator in there. Actually, I hope it fits. I'm pretty sure it will fit. Let's have a quick look actually. It'll be over the drive bays there, but it doesn't matter. Yep. I'm pretty sure I will get that in there. Once I take that fan off, obviously, it will be much higher. But I'm pretty sure I can mount that there. That's excellent. So I can finally have this radiator out of the way inside the case. It's very roomy. It's got a lot of room in this case. Power supply goes on the bottom here. And there's also a removable dust filter. You can clean the dust off that, slide it back in, and doesn't require the power supply to be taken out either. Cable management holes here as well, so you can bring all the cables in the back behind. The only thing is there's no hole for the actual 8-pin connector, but I guess I can drill a hole there. That's the only disappointing thing about the cable management, but it doesn't matter regardless. Still a very nice case. Also comes with in the front here the power button. It's a biometric switch, which means it doesn't require a press. It's not an actual push button. It's just a touch. Bit of a touchpad thing, and then the system comes on. And it's nice looking as well. I've seen it on some reviews. It's nice and red, and it's got a red fan as well actually here. The 120mm fan here for the hard drives intake. Accessory box. All done here. Cable ties, screws for your motherboard, an 8-pin extender, which I'll probably be using because it's a fair way up there, and there's a few other. Oh yeah, you can actually have stick. These act like cable ties. You can actually stick these onto the tray, and then tie your cables in between that, which is excellent. I'll probably be using those, and the cable ties. And I believe these are for your floppy. If you have a floppy drive, put on your floppy drive, and they just slide in the front there. So like a support bracket for them. Don't know yet what this is. For some reason they've supplied that with the case. I don't know what it is though. That's it, guys. The Cosmos S from Coolermaster. Okay guys, I've just picked up the Coolermaster UCP 1100 watt power supply. That's what I was waiting for all day. It comes with a 5-year warranty as well, so quality is ensured. It's fantastic. Now let's have a look at the beast itself. It's in there now. While I was waiting for this power supply, I actually assembled my computer. Took me pretty much all day. The motherboard's in there, the CPU's in there, all the water cooling gears in there. The reservoir you haven't mounted up properly, it's just sitting there for now. And the radiator mounted up there, very, very nice. It's out of the way. It's in a very, very nice here location as well. It's exhausting all of that hot air in the case as well. So, and also 3 fans on top. So it's a push-pull configuration. Just to show you guys the clearance. It just clears it. Look at that. It's like it was made for it. And these clip on with no hassle. No problem. Excellent. Absolutely fantastic. That worked out really well, that radiator. And as for now guys, there's no 4870X2s as you can see. They're still on back order, so I'm still waiting for them. But for now I'm just going to use one of my 8800 GTXs just to get it fired up and so I can have a computer again. Anyway, stay tuned guys for part 3 because that's when I'll have the two 4870X2s. So till then, take care.